Hello, greetings to everyone. Welcome to Nguyen MKT's channel. Today, I will share with you a software to manage a large number of Facebook accounts. You can manage 5,100 Facebook accounts to send friend requests and max out the 5,000 friends limit. Today, I will introduce you to a feature that helps you send friend requests. When managing these Facebook accounts, to successfully send friend requests, you need the UIDs of potential Facebook accounts. Our software includes a tool called MKT UID. This tool helps you scan potential UIDs from groups, fan pages, and individual profiles. Once you have scanned these UIDs, you can use the software. This is the MKT Care software. It has many features such as sharing posts, sending friend requests, commenting, sending messages, joining groups, posting, and setting up posts. Today, I will share with you how to send friend requests to max out the 5,000 friends limit. Let's go to the friend request section. After scanning UIDs with the MKT UID tool, you can input those UIDs into the UID collector section. As you can see on the screen, I have already scanned 4,420 UIDs. Setting up the configuration is very simple. You just need to set the number of concurrent operations, then set the error transfer rate. If a friend request fails a certain number of times, it will automatically switch to another account. Here, I set it to 5. Below that, you can set the maximum number of friends per account. I set it to 10-15 friends. This doesn't mean that you can only send 10-15 friend requests a day, but rather 10-15 friends per session, and then rotate through them. You can also set the interval between interactions, usually 5-10 seconds. Once you've configured this, you can select the accounts to send friend requests. This is my link. I saved it in a separate file. Then click Start, and it will begin. You can see that the software will automatically log in the account and start sending friend requests. This feature will benefit those who are doing business. As you can see, when you have a Facebook account with 5K friends who match your target audience, when you post or share something, it will reach the right audience. If you have 100 accounts with 5K friends each, you can potentially reach around 500,000 potential customers. From there, you can build a group, inviting these friends into your group. As you can see on the screen, I am sending friend requests to a target audience in the spa industry. You can see their profiles. Those working in the spa field often have beautiful avatars. Depending on the target audience, you can use our software to scan potential customer UIDs, and then use your managed accounts to send friend requests. As you can see, all these accounts have been customized with my avatar and information. You can treat them like your employees or collaborators and use them to build your brand. Once your account has reached around 1,000 to 5,000 friends, you can start inviting them into groups or sending them direct messages to promote your products and brand. You can see on the interface that it will display the UID, the status of the friend request, and how many have been successful. This software is available in 2 versions, a 1-year version and a lifetime version. If you're interested, you can add me on WhatsApp at +84961689768 for support. That concludes my video. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can make more videos.